wanted to create a Hanukkah card for a dear friend, and thanks to Artspira, it's going to be super quick and easy. Here you can see on my tablet, I have Artspira open. We're going into cutting files, and there's a really beautiful menorah cut file, and it shows like a dark blue, medium blue, but you could choose colors that you like. Transferring is so easy to your machine. You literally just press transfer, then come to your machine, click the little top right icon, and in just a moment, boom, there's your Artspira file. And the way that this one will work, everything is going to stay together in the sections. So I'm going to be able to move the candles or move the flames or the base of the menorah as I need to. And I am going to be working with a very dark navy blue, a medium blue, and then some gold and some more yellow tone for the flames. And I'm going to be doing this in vinyl. This design and all ScanNCut designs can be used with the material of your choice. I have decided on vinyl just because I want the shine and just the beautiful look of the sticker vinyl on my card. You could make this into a gift topper. There are so many options here to create with. Now I am just sorting my pieces out into 4 corners so that I can get my vinyl, and I'm using various pieces here, as I mentioned before, a very dark navy blue, a lighter blue, and then a yellow and a gold. And I'm using the machine's scan function to scan this in so that I can see where my pieces are and then determine if I need to adjust their location based on where my materials are. As you can see, that just takes a moment, and all it's doing is taking a picture, essentially, of the mat. So I can see where things are, adjust as needed, and then go ahead and cut. We are going to want to turn on half cut. As you can see, it's on here. To get to there, you hit that little tool, make sure that is on. That will ensure the vinyl cuts, but not the backing, so that when we go to weed this out, it'll be very easy to work with. For this next part here, we're just going to take our pieces, and you can use your fingers or a weeding tool if you prefer. And then we're just going to peel each piece off, leaving only the parts that we want. Now, it's very important to leave everything right as it sets, because this Artspira design, all the designs, if they are cutting as a unit like this, they are designed to all perfectly fit together. These multi-layered patterns from Brother, they're so wonderful because everything is in the correct spot. So when we go to layer all of this, everything is going to sit exactly perfectly. And I cannot tell you how much I love this. So next step, we get transfer material. As you can see here, I have the base with the very dark blue. Now I'm going on to the medium blue, and I'm just positioning it how I want. Now you're going to want to think about which parts do you want to be on top versus underneath, and layer from there. Now, in my case, I made a whoopsie here. And by that, what I mean is I did not allow for enough transfer material at the top. Do not worry if this happens to you. You're just going to add some more above. In my case, I needed only about 1 inch above, and you can layer that. They will stick together. You will be totally fine. No crisis, no need to panic. And I share this with you because you know what? When we are handcrafting, sometimes stuff happens, and it's really helpful to know the tricks of the trade. And here I am just layering on the final bit, those flames. And like I said, the machine is spacing everything just right for you. So as long as if you resize everything all together, everything will remain in perfect proportion. Now I am adhering this to a piece of white cardstock, and now all I'm going to do is cut this down. I'm going to make this a 5.5 inch tall card, and then folded, closed, will be 5.5 inches tall, 4.25 inches wide. So a very standard card size. I just started by putting it onto the full sheet of paper so that I could see where it was going to be and determine if my thoughts for sizing was exactly what I wanted. Now to finish this off, I'm just going to add a few little stamps here. I'm going to put a little heart in the back, and then I'm going to write love and light inside and add a little more stamping here because I just think it's a fun touch whenever I have a card or something that I'm gifting and I've been using built-in files or files that I did not design myself, if I can add some personal touch on it, I always love doing that. And I love the simplicity and beauty of this card. I love how those rich blue colors look and the golds. I just hope that she loves this as much as I loved making it. Thank you so much for tuning into this tutorial. Be sure to subscribe and follow Brother for more tutorials, ideas, and creative fun.